Hello student, I'm going to start from the last video. We are discussing about time series analysis and different methods. So here to understand this is about measurement of the circular trend. So freehand curve method, in this method the data is limited on graph paper. We take time on x-axis and data on y-axis. On graph there will be a point for every point of time. We make a smooth hand curve with the help of this point. Plotted points. So suppose like this one, we can plot this by hand. So this green line is for the actual data and trend line can be drawn with respect to that data, and that is simply a freehand method. Second one is semi-average method. In this method the given data are divided into parts, preferably with the equal numbers of years. For example, if we are given data from 1991 to 2008, that is over a period of 18 years, the two equal parts will be first 9 years, that is 1999, 1991 and to 1999, and from 2000 to 2008. In case of odd numbers of years like 9, 13, 7, etc., two equal parts can be made simply by ignoring the middle year. For example, if data are given for 19 years from 990 to 2007, then the two equal parts would be from 1990 to 1998 and from 2002 to 2008. The middle year 1999 will be ignored. So here you can see, suppose find a trend line from the following data by semi-average method. So here you can see 1989, 1990, like that, 1991, like that. So those values are given. So there are total 8 trends, means 8 values are there. Now we distribute it in equal part. We can calculate average mean for every part. Like first part is 150 plus 152 plus 153 plus 151 divided by 4. It is almost about 151.5. And second part is 154 plus 153 plus 156 plus 158 divided by 4 equal to 155.25. So that is this first part, this is second part. So we can draw that this is the first part, average, and also this is the second part. Okay, this is another moving average method. In one of the most popular method for calculating long-term trend is that the method is also used for seasonal fluctuations. It's cyclical fluctuation or irregular fluctuation. In this method we calculate a moving average for certain years. So for example, if we calculate 3 years moving average, then according to these methods it will be like 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 2 3, or 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 3, or 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 3. So here you can give, suppose find out the 5 years moving average from this data. So it will be like, initially this thing will be 5 are moving total. So suppose these totals are not here because from till these 2 years there is no data available, or might be less number of data available to create that 5 years moving total. So till from here you can see the total 5 years total is showing. So 135 divided by 5 will be this one, then 150 divided by this one. So 5 years moving average column 3 divided by 5. So we can get this one. So this is the moving average. Also in this part also we cannot go for this because ending also we are completing here. So that is why 5 years average cannot be computed for this one also. Least square method. This method is most widely in practice. When this method is applied, a trend line is shifted to data in such a manner that the following two conditions are satisfied. That is, sum of deviations of the actual values of y and computed values of y is 0. There is a glitch in this PDF. This glitch. This is actually y minus yc equal to 0. The sum of deviations and the actual values of y. Sum of deviations of actual values of y and computed values of y should be 0. That is, sum of uh, squares, sum of squares of the deviation of the actual and the computed values is least from this line. So we'll try to see these things, like the method of least square can be used either to fit a straight line trend or a parabolic trend. The straight line trend is represented by the equation of this line, y is equal to a plus bx, where x is unit of time, independent variable, a and b are constant to be calculated, and y is the trend value to be computed. So again, this is the data given. You can go for the value. So here you can see deviation from the year. This is one deviation from 1990, means 1990, that is x, that is deviation from 1990 1991 is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. This is a deviation, and total deviation is 15. 5, 4, 9, 12, 14, 15, and is equal to 5. And again, y equal to given, y equal to given is that y equal to 8, 9, 8, 9, 16. So x and y multiply will be equal to 8, 18, 24, 4, 9 just 6, 36, 5, 6 is 80. So summation of xy is 166 and summation of y is 50. And x square is equal to, this is the square of this one, that is the square value. And again, trend is equal to yc equal to a plus bx. And now we calculate the value of two constant ab with the help of the two equation. So before going to that, we need to find the value of a and b. So summation of y equal to number of a plus b summation of x, and xy equal to a of summation of x plus b of x square. Now I put the values of x, summation of x, summation of y, summation of xy, x square, and so in this equation 3 multiplied by 3 and substituted by solving those equations, we can get the values of a and b. Now we can put the value b in the equation 3. So in that way we can find the values of a and b. So now we can put the value of a b here. That is the point. So now we get to trend line for 1996. So that is the way to calculate the trend line. Again, next one is shifting the trend origin. In above example, trend equation is this one. Here the past base year is 1990. That means the actual base of this year, this year will 1st July 1990. Now we change the base year in 1991. Now the base year is back 2 years. So 2 years unit than the previous base years. Now we will reduce the twice of the value of the b from the value of a. So now the new value of a equal to 5.2 minus twice into 1.6. This is twice the value of b from the value of a. Now the trend of equation on the basis of the year is this one. So in that way we can go for this. So this is when trend line is linear, but when the trend line is curvic or parabola, we'll go for next one, and we'll discuss this one in next video. Try to go through this again once and try to understand why this equation has been given here, why not other equations, and please tell me or try to give some comment. And also if you have any confusion, also let me know. I will try to resolve that thing over Google Meet. And also if you want to add something here, then also let me know. Thank you.